Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to change the wheel well lining in your 2006 Honda Civic. So this is a picture of it. These are all the holes, all the clips that you need. So there's a whole bunch of them. So first thing you want to do is take off this clip here. And this is actually a different guard that you need to take off in order to get the fender liner out. So go ahead and take these off. As you see, there's kind of old, so I was kind of breaking clips. So you want to make sure you have extra clips around. And I actually have a shot of that, so I'll show you that in a little bit. So go ahead and take these two pieces off for the engine splash guard liner is which one this is. Take that off and then you can kind of start getting the actual fender liner out. So once you get those off, get into the car and there's one here on the side and then there's another one on the end that hold it in place. So this one too, maybe, I'm not really sure. I didn't have to take it off, but it might be connected, I don't know. So if you want to take that one off too, go for it. So take these off. I've noticed too that if you're more gentle when you pry the clips apart with your screwdriver, they tend to come out easier. So if you're really rough with them, they tend to break. So just keep that in mind. So once you get those two out, then you can take this whole side out and then just work your way around the fender liner to get the rest of the clips out. So there was one here and there's actually a metal tab that it's connected to. So be careful with this one so you don't break that tab. So I was having some issues with it. So basically what I ended up doing is I kind of broke the tab and then shoved it through the hole there, but like pushing it into the fender more to get it out. And then work your way to the back. I'm not going to show every single one of them, but there's, they're all the same. Just take your screwdriver and pop them out. So work your way around the fender liner and go ahead and take this one out. And then there's three more. Okay, so this one too. And then there's three on the bottom that are self-tapping clips. So these ones are a little bit different. And so I'll have a link to those as well. So go ahead and take those out. There's, like I said, there's three of them. So they're all along the bottom there. I think this is working the last one here. There you go. So once you get those out, then you should be able to take the entire fender liner out. And so this is the clips I was talking about. There's a whole bunch of different sizes. So like I said, I'll have a link to that because you're definitely going to need that. Don't try and do this and try and reuse the old ones because it's just not going to be good. So go ahead and put the new fender liner on. Be gentle with it. Try not to twist it and bend it too much because mine actually cracked at the top. So that's not really good. But anyways, then everything else is in reverse order. So put your self-tapping clips in first. And then go ahead and work your way around the fender liner. And so what I found is that if you separate the clips and you put the one piece in first and then you lock it into place. So see how I took it apart. So that's the one piece. And then you lock it in like that. It's a lot easier to get these things lined up, especially with ones like this. It's a lot easier to take them apart. So do it like that and you'll save yourself a headache. So go ahead and work your way around. And then the last two are the two for the engine splash guard. So the engine splash guard goes behind the fender lining. So this one was kind of a little bit tricky because there's two trying to line it up. So that's where taking it apart makes it a lot easier. So there you go, take it apart. And that's basically it. So if you thought this video was helpful, don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe. And thanks for watching.